Hello, my friends, and welcome to day 12 of the 30-day stretching challenge. I hope you are excited for today's class because it is a standing stretching series. This one is going to focus on your upper body, so really resetting your rounded, hunched posture you might have from sitting at a desk, helping you open up through the chest and feel less stiff all through your shoulders. So we're not going to need anything today, no mat or anything, just find a comfortable space and meet me in a standing position. Inhaling to find length through the crown of your head and exhale out the mouth to ground into your feet. On your next inhale, reach your fingertips up toward the sky, steeple your fingers, pull yourself long overhead, and we'll take a side bend over to the right. So feel free to take a little bit of a wider stance here to give yourself a base. Inhale to reach, maybe even point through the left toes, really feeling a sense of lengthening all through your side. And last breath here. Inhale up through center, reach, 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 and exhale over to the left. Come back up through center. Steeple your fingers, but go the other way. We'll do that one more time on each side. Inhale to reach up and over to the right, opening the chest, gaze up toward the sky. And on your next breath, come back through to center. Exhale over to the left. Inhale to reach. Release your fingertips up toward the sky. Reach, reach, reach. And on your exhale, you're going to throw everything away, folding at the knees, allowing your arms to swing. Inhale to stand up tall. We'll do that 2 more times. Exhale. Press firmly in the feet. Reach up. Last time. Slowly roll yourself up to standing. Inhale to reach 1 more time. This time, cactus your arms out to the side and slowly close your elbows in towards each other, almost like you're closing a book, and then reopen, opening through the chest. Getting some movement into the shoulders and the upper back. We'll take 2 more like this. And when your arms open wide, extend them in the shape of a Y, and then squeeze your elbows down towards your body, squeezing through the lats. Inhale to reach, arms shape of a Y, and exhale to squeeze. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale to reach. Last time. Now interlace your hands behind your back, coming into a chest opener stretch, drawing your knuckles down towards the ground as you open through the chest. This time, maybe take a little bit of movement, maybe release, and then stretch, taking your knuckles towards the ground. See how that feels? Or just stay in your chest opener. Do what feels good for you. Today, I'm going to play around with releasing and stretching, rolling my chest open. We'll take 1 more breath like this. Release your hands, give them a little shake out. On your inhale, squeeze your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, shoulder blades go down your back, taking some shoulder rolls. And then go the other direction. Take your shoulders up and forward. On your next big breath in, reach your fingertips up toward the sky. Press your palms together now and bring your palms down to your heart center, pressing into your wrists to release any tension there might be there. Pause just for a moment at the bottom and then inhale to reach back up. Just take a few rounds of these, seeing how it feels through your hands and your wrists. And the next time your hands are in front of your chest, interlace your fingers and take some wrist rolls, getting out any cricks and cracks you might feel. Once you've gone in one direction for a little bit, switch over and go the other direction. Awesome. Find some stillness. Shake your hands out by your side. Inhale to reach your fingertips up. This time, cradle the back of your head in your hands. We're going to come into a cat cow. Inhale to look up and exhale to look to the ground, opening through the back. Inhale to open the chest and exhale to open the back. Just take a few more rounds like this. On your next breath, take your arms down by your sides. Let's take a quick twist. Inhale to reach up. Right fingertips reach back, left fingertips reach forward. Standing up tall as you inhale, and on the exhale, looking up and over the back shoulder, feeling like you're being pulled in opposite directions. Last breath in, fingertips reach up, and exhale, twist over to the other side. One more breath in. Come back to center. Release your hands by your side. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder, coming into a neck stretch. And then allow your head to roll forward, opening up through the back of the neck. Take your ear to your left shoulder. And just take a few of these at your own speed. See if you can do one more to each shoulder. And then take your head forward, feeling a stretch in the back of the neck. You can stay here, or option just to apply a little bit more pressure onto the back of the neck using the hands on the head. Stay here, or if you'd like, explore giving yourself a little bit of a neck massage. Using the fingers to release any tight areas. You can travel up the neck to the base of the skull. Maybe your fingers travel up into your scalp. Or your fingers might travel down the base of your neck into your shoulders. Wherever you are, take one more full deep breath in and release your hands down by your side, your shoulders down your back. Inhale to reach your fingertips up toward the sky. And exhale to cactus the arms out to the side. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.